Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a 4-bedroom pool home that just had a price reduction for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 3020 Applewood Drive. It's just had a price reduction down to $829,900. Pretty cool little property. It sits on a big, almost 12,000 square foot lot. Nice area. Surprisingly enough, you don't see very many Santa Fe style homes in Havasu, which a lot of people think is weird, but just don't see very many. So you can see the property right there between the water boxes. Tons of side RV boat type parking. Let's go on and check it out. There's nice rock work and landscaping. Cool front courtyard. This does have a casita, and this is the door to that casita we'll go check out. All right, guys, so this is a 4-bedroom pool home with a casita built in 2005, 2,065 square feet. Again, the new price is $829,900. Very Tuscan style in here. Wood doors, beams. So it has taller ceilings than most Santa Fe style homes. Nice granite topped kitchen. Stainless appliances. Can lights. Trowel down walls and ceilings. Has the cool distressed edges on the granite. It also has a granite backsplash. Upgraded cabinets. RO at your sink. Nice open living area. So this is a split floor plan on the same side of the house. You have a nice slider out to the backyard. Pool area we'll go check out. Nice little view out of your slider. All right, let's go see what we can find. So this looks like the master. They did a cool job on the paint on the walls. You have a slider out to the backyard pool area. Looks like it's also pre-wired for speakers in here. You also have your walk-in closet. And your master bath with dual sinks, tile tops, upgraded cabinets, cool mirrors with can lights. Toilet has its own door. And your walk-in tiled shower with tile to the ceiling. All right, let's go see what the other side of the house looks like. All right, we're going back to the other side of the house by the entry. So the first room you run to is the guest bath. Another cool mirror and light fixture. So you have a little let-in closet and a guest bedroom at the front of the house. Double door slider to the closet. And you have another guest bedroom kind of in the middle of the house. So these owners are downsizing. This bedroom does have a walk-in closet. So back off the kitchen, you have your pantry, double pantry, and access to the garage. So you have a nice 3-car garage setup. Looks like they did a real nice job on the epoxy floors. Both doors are insulated. You have a 1-car side that's 22 feet deep. I'm sorry, 20 feet deep with a 8-foot door, 12 feet wide at the door. You also have a 52-foot 2-car side. Looks like there's a swamp cooler in the ceiling. The floor is pretty squeaky. You have your hot water, reverse osmosis, and soft water setup. You also have some built-in cabinets at the rear. And a door out to the backyard pool area that we'll go check out in a minute. All right, guys, you have a cool little Casita setup at the front of the house. They are using it as an office. Has its own little bathroom with a pocket door. Another cool mirror and fixtures, and it does have a little walk-in closet. And it also has a walk-in tiled shower with tile to the ceiling. All right, so you have a real nice full covered back patio. Also pre-wired for sound back here as well. They do have a view deck up here and a real nice beach entry type saltwater pebble tech pool. Nice piece of flagstone for your little bar. Pool deck looks very, very good. Nice little Baja shelf type setup. Very nicely landscaped. You have a little barbecue area over here with some stacked stone and tile tops. Nice little hot tub setup. Some artificial turf. Nice view of Cupcake Mountain. There's a little peekaboo view of the lake. Oh gosh, it's getting windy again. All right, let's go check out the view deck. So the pool is heated with propane. And here's your side access. All right, let's go check out this view deck and see what it's all about. Very nice. Nice view. You can see the whole island. Let me zoom in. Oh, about there's Cupcake Mountain. Sleeping Indian. Whole island. Pretty big area up here. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Applewood. Again, this one just had a price drop to $829.9. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.